The last stock that I will talk about is Tata Elxsi, and this is a thumbs down because the earnings picture is a little bit murky, it's a little muted. You have a revenue downtick of about 1.7% coming at 939 crore rupees. The margin compression has taken place in the quarter gone by. It's come in at 23.5% compared with 25% in the comparable quarter, and we're looking at this sequentially. The net profit has come down lower as well at 13% lower at 199 crore rupees. A few updates with regard to the businesses. Transportation, of course, has grown just about 0.5%, stayed flat sequentially. In constant currency terms, media and communications revenues also stayed more or less flat. Healthcare has seen just a marginal uptake of about 1.1% or thereabouts. And so expect the stock to see a little bit of pressure. Of course, in 2025 itself, the stock is down over 5%. So certainly it's something to watch. It's been under pressure over the last few trading sessions, Tamanna.
Yeah. All right. So those are some of the key picks this morning, but expect a lot of stock specific action through the day. Just want to focus a little bit more on TCS simply because, well, that's the big one today. And the numbers were below expectation. Commentary might be the saving grace. Rucha is joining us now specifically with details on what brokerages are saying. Whole host of brokerages, Rucha, and we've highlighted some of them. But if you had to put together the top takeaways and similar sort of commentary coming from the brokerages, what would that be?
So definitely, Tamanna, you highlighted some of the brokerages, but as I can broadly mention, brokerages are largely bullish on TCS, though numbers were slightly below estimates of these brokerages. They are very bullish based on the strong deal wins. As you had mentioned, Nuvama mentions that is super strong deal wins. So that is positive for TCS. They're also looking forward to positive traction in their discretionary spend. So most of the brokerages are very happy about these two parts. But what they're not happy about is, degrowth in North America as well as continental Europe and flat growth in the banking space. One note which I want to highlight is CLSA on TCS, which has actually upgraded to outperform from a whole rating and lifted its target price to 4546 from 4251 and a 13% upside over here. It also believes that further rupee depreciation could be another tailwind. And again, one thing to highlight, as we all know that valuations are a concern about the Indian markets, but talking about TCS, TCS largely trades at around 25 times its FY26 earnings, and this is a healthy entry point for most of the brokerages for TCS. So largely bullish based on strong deal wins and positive discretionary demand, but disappointed on the fact of weak numbers as well as degrowth in North America and flat growth in the banking space.
Thanks for that update, Rucha. And we are going to be talking about TCS more. Of course, there's the management commentary that will come through. We spoke with the management and we have that interview lined up for you as well.